What's up, guys? I know it's been a while since we did a video. Just thought I'd do a little catch up, show you where we're at. We just bought this piece of property and we are about to start building a barndominium. Super excited. We've waited months to do something like this. We got our house sold, and so now it's time for the next step. Or that step can be behind me to our barndominium. So again, I know it's been a while since we did a video, but we've been trying to get caught up and get everything just the way that we wanted it. We've been here for 2 months and 1 day, and I figured I'd show you what we're up to, so stay tuned. Alright, so just got done with my nightly routine. I got the gate locked, walking back to the house. So I've got 10 acres. And I've leased out part of it to the former owners to run the cattle on. But we've got a pond over there. This is a 1,800 and some change square foot barndominium plus a 1,050 square foot 3-car garage. The house portion of it is 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, kitchen, living room, walk-in closet in the master, huge, what some might call a party shower. I'm just too old for that. We've got the 2 shower heads, 1 on each side. Walk around here to the other side. And again, work in progress. We're trying to get everything up and going. This is a 3-car garage. Got Steph's Jeep over in the 2-car portion, and then my truck, for the first time ever, having a garage that my truck actually fits in, goes in there. My wife, that has never had a green thumb up until now, I guess it just takes the right place to do so. She's got about everything under the sun growing out here. Show you the garage real quick. It's a mess, but again, work in progress. I just got done. This last week I got in all the parts and pieces. Built my Ryobi wall. Of course it's missing a couple batteries, drill. I'm working on stuff right now, but got everything mounted up there. Those are all with Spartan mounts. I found them after getting a mount for my Tavor. But this is it. So again, 2-car, 1 on this side. I got this mounted last weekend. I've got to get power from that over the garage door outlet. And then this has got a 3-way drop that I've extended down far enough. A workbench back here. Steph's Jeep. Top is off. Alright, but now other than just getting you caught up to speed, what we're doing now, we got the F-250 pulled in the barn. So this is a 30 by 40 barn with 2 12 by 30 overhangs, lean-tos on each side. This is the other wall I've been working on. I've got all my Ryobi stuff for the mower, which you've seen in a previous video where I showed how to do that off solar. I'll get back to that in a minute. This is the upgraded model. I do 2 acres, give or take, sometimes 2.5. with this every weekend. It is self-propelled, thankfully. But I got these are all 3D printed mounts for the Ryobi batteries. 2 battery chargers going to this outlet. I've got my Ryobi chainsaw, weed eater. I just spray foamed all of the ribs in the wall. But what we're wanting to do is take this PVC, put a 90-degree angle on it, bring it over here, come down 2 walls right here to this corner, which already has a drain in it, and then put in the same kind of tin that's on the outside on the inside from this portion over here, and then this can be a washout bay for anything. So then if we get that water moved down there, that'll be perfectly set up. I'm wanting to build a workbench in this one, but I'm starting to get all of the gardening stuff put up. But again, the project that we're working on right now, we're gonna get solar on this barn this weekend. So we've got a sub panel already in here, everything already wired up. We've got lighting on the exterior, the interior. Right now you can just plug in an extension cord to that and you'll have power in the barn. So we just got this mounted. But again, what we're gonna be working on, I've got two 30 feet MC4 connectors. We're gonna get these going into some panels. I've got a Windy Nation charge controller. We've got the 1500 watt Cobra inverter. We've got inverter cables, solar panel mounts, and then I've got a AGM deep cycle battery. So we're gonna get that mounted and get this project started.